for your cheeks.
Oh. Thank you, Mommy. Mom, don't take a picture.
Okay. Not yet, huh?
Are you gonna look at me?
Okay.
Whoa. Can I use it, Lan? Lan, can I use it?
Well, how do you take this one off?
That one?
Let's try lipstick.
Is it lipstick?
Lipstick. 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 Lipstick.
Oh, here it is.
How do you open it?
Right there.
Oh, okay. Oops, cap. What's cap we have put?
That cap.
Cap, this cap, this cap, this.
You gonna do your hair?
How do you take this off again?
Yeah. You see your brushes. You're gonna curl your hair.
How do you take this off? Where's the cap? I forgot. Is it this?
Oh, it's okay. You don't have to put it back. Yeah.
Where I put the cap?
Oh, you don't need that. That you can be thrown away. You wanna do your hair now? Yeah, you're gonna brush your hair.
I don't want to do that.
Okay.
How about this?
It's a brush.
How about when you look at your face?
Oh, you want a mirror?
Uh-huh.
Oh, we gotta buy a mirror. We'll get you a mirror.
Look. Look at it. Look. They go at the same time. Look what happened if you take a tip off.
Do you like your presents, Lan?
Look at the tip. Look at the tip.
Oh,
Look.
it's your perfume.
Look at the tip. Look at the tip, Mom. Look. Hey. What's this blue thing? What's that blue thing?
It's for you to curl your hair.
I want to curl my hair. Curl my hair. Curl my hair. Look. How you curl it?
Okay, like a make curl.
Look, Mom.
Yeah. Cool, huh?
All in the Autobots. I want to do more makeup. More makeup. We're going to this. I'm trying to transform that. I'm going to use this one now. Is that mixing all of them together?
Mm-hmm.
Makeup.
Mm-hmm.
Do it, Mom. Look what kind. What's this jewel, Mom? What's this jewel, Mom? Look what I did.
Let's see.
Look what I did.
Decorations.
What's this?
Dad, look at this.
What's that?
What is it?
It's a sword for
Oh, it's for your eyeshadow.
I
it?
think it's better.
How you do it, Mom?
It's this.
How can I try it?
Mm-hmm. Your eyeshadow. Close your eyes. You have to close your eyes. Cool, huh?
How's that?
That's cool.
Is it like that?
Mm-hmm.
Eyeshadow. How do you do this?
You curl your hair.
What's this?
Oh, hairspray.
How do you try it?
Put it on your hair. Oh, you have to sip it. You have to spray it. Yeah, you have to pretend. Mm-hmm.
We need some things in here.
Dylan, do you like your presents, Dylan?
Huh?
Do you love it?
Yeah.
What do you say to Kathy? Hey, Kathy.
Say thank you.
Here, look here.
Thank you, Kathy. Thank you, Kathy.
Lan, cho bà xài đi con. Cho dặn Lan.
What's that? Is that makeup too?
Mm-hmm.
I like this makeup. I'm gonna try it. You want some, Mom? Do you want some?
No, I'm good.
On the other side. I'll look in the mirror.
Or look in the mirror.